Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, it's Jenna, that's me, this Jabby from TNT. Welcome back to my channel. So I have this delicious plate of food here. Some dal, rice, some pak choy, some curry chicken, and some sliced avocados. But kind of missing a little pepper element to it. So I am thinking to make some onion chow, onion choker, pepper choker, anything you want to call it. Not sure what is the correct name, but boy oh boy, this is going to be a delight. So this is what it looks like. Now I was introduced to this by my sister's in-laws, her husband's family, and when I tell you I fell in love with it. I never had it before that. I was some time back, a while ago, and since then it has been a must with dal and rice. Like if you've never tried this before, I'm telling you, you need to try it. Some of you, I posted it on my Instagram some time back, and some of you were familiar with it. Some of you did not know what it was. So if you want to see how to make this delicious, tasty pepper addition to your for your meal, keep watching. Alrighty, so the ingredients for this onion chow or choker or onion pepper, whatever you want to call it, is pretty simple. So we're going to be using some onions. I have red onion too. Now if you have these, you can use these to give a nicer sweeter taste than this, but either one would work fine. We're going to be using some lime juice, garlic, Chadon Beni. If you have some green seasoning that's already done, you can use that. Hot pepper, of course, black pepper, and salt, and that's just basically it. We want to just put it all together, and you just want to put it in the fridge so it can soak in nicely when you're ready to eat. So first I'm going to slice up all of my onions. And the thinner you can slice it, the better it is. So now we have our onions all sliced up here, and the thinner the better. This is not so thin, but you know, it'll work. You can cut it as thin as possible. And now we're just going to be cutting up the pepper. We're going to grate the garlic into it, the Chadon Beni. Now if you have the green seasoning, like I said, you can use that instead of having to chop up the Chadon Beni and the garlic, but I just have none made right now. Now we're going to chop up the pepper. If you want to add the whole pepper, you can go ahead, but this is smelling pretty hot, so I'm not going to add the whole pepper to it. I'm going to squeeze the lime juice into it. I'm going to add salt and black pepper now. And you're just going to let this sit in your fridge for a couple of hours and let it all soak in. You guys will love it. I am telling you, if you've never tried it before, you need to try this. Alright guys, so this is what lunch looks like. Have our onion chow, onion pepper, onion choker. I wouldn't really say it's a choker because there's no chunky involved with the hot oil and all that, so you could leave it as an onion chow, onion pepper, whatever it is. But this is a plate of heaven here. So you saw how simple it was to make this dish, guys, and like I said, you need to try it out. You will absolutely love it, and it's a must with this kind of food. Dal and rice and anything, add this to it and your own like boiled corn. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. As always, be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did like it. Share it with all your friends and your family. Don't forget to hit that share, that subscribe button, and the bell notification button as well. And stay tuned to more videos to come.